Hey, I got my LED light whip in today. And like I said, I always have the worst luck of shipping. Look at this box. It's cut all the way around and taped in one spot. I don't understand. That's down here, same thing. Cut all the way around and the whole thing is wiggly. I don't know how you can ship a light. I know they're flexible, but I guess Amazon, I'll ship it back if it don't work. I'll try it. Alright, so I guess I got lucky because it works. Pretty cool. I'll show you real quick where I had a bracket in the house. Some self-tapping screws right here. And then just ran the wiring up here to a switch and a fuse. Oh, that looks blurry. So I can either do that, or it has a color pad or something. I need to figure out how to operate it, but I stuck it right there so I don't lose it. But I can't believe it works after seeing the boxing. 70 bucks Amazon. Flexible. It don't have the spring at the bottom. It does have an awesome quick connect. It's pretty cool. Well, yeah, it came out great. See how long it lasts. Here it is at night. Just wanted to do a little video at night with it. Before I turn it off, everything's working good. Like I said, surprised that it's actually, oh, there we go. Surprised that it was actually working, especially looking at the box it came in, but yeah, it might be kind of too bright though. Oh, there we go. But I'm happy with it. I haven't ran it through the woods yet. We'll see how it holds up. So, anywho, adios amigos.